Hi! Today we will talk in detail about how to get rid of cellulite. We will analyze the causes of the formation of orange peel, and I will offer you a solution to the problem. So sit back, check your subscription, and write in the comments if you are familiar with this problem and how you perform and how you personally try to solve it. So let's start! So let's figure it out, what cellulite is and how it forms. According to the latest data, cellulite is mainly localized on the hips and buttocks. Scientists have noticed that it is in these areas that the most fat cells with specific alpha-2 receptors are located. These receptors are responsible for the accumulation of the reserves of the body for the future. This is what the body does when preparing for the birth of child, for example. Scientists have also found that cellulite increases with conditions such as hormone intake, menopause, pregnancy. Therefore, all these conditions are associated with the restructuring of the hormonal background. So cellulite is a hormone-dependent disorder. That is why a person may not eat, sit on diets, but cellulite would remain with him. That is why, even in the young and slender girls, the presence of cellulite is not uncommon. Because the problem is not fat. What hormones are involved in this and how to fix the situation? To do this, you need to understand the mechanism of what happens to our body. Collagen and elastin give elasticity to our body, our skin. Collagen and elastin fibers cover our entire body. They are located right under our skin, followed by a layer of fat and inoscal in these fibers that make our skin smooth and elastic. So when collagen is destroyed, its production decreases, the fibers are no longer able to restrain fat cells, and the fat layer begins to walk as it likes. That's what these ugly cellulite bumps are. Of course, water retention, nutrition, and lack of muscle load also play a role here. You must understand that I have just told you about a very complex process, but the point is true. I have my new colleague. Cellulite is a hormone-dependent decrease in the number of collagen fibers. So what kind of hormone can affect collagen production so much? You will be surprised, but this is the most feminine hormone, estrogen. Excess estrogens destroy collagen fibers and elastin, and yes, it is not strange at menopause when it would seem the production of estrogen decreases. Cellulite is still gaining momentum. It's all about the compensatory function of our body. With the help of an enzyme such as aromatase, our fat cells and skin convert testosterone into estrogen. Here is such a tricky compensatory mechanism, but it gives those extra estrogens that destroy collagen and elastin fibers and prevent the production of new ones. As a result, there are no barriers left to keep fat cells in place because the reinforcing collagen mesh is destroyed. In addition to estrogen, cortisol affects the formation of cellulite. It is he who causes muscle atrophy and a decrease in growth hormone, namely growth hormone. The main fat-burning hormone, excess insulin, also contributes to an increase in the fat layer. Therefore, insulin and cortisol must be kept in the norm. Phew! This was a difficult theoretical part, which I tried to convey to you in simple language. Now you understand what happens to the body when you see cellulite. Next, to the most important thing, what to do. But before that, I will ask you to support our channel with a subscription, and please put a thumbs up under this video. Your feedback is a huge motivation for me to make a new high-quality videos, high-quality useful content for you, to talk simply about the difficult and give you the most effective and working advice. Thank you for your likes and subscriptions. The reasons for the formation of cellulite we have sorted out. Now about what to do with it. Let's start with a simpler one. It is necessary to solve the problem of muscular atrophy of the buttocks and thighs. Place of localization of cellulite, we need exercise, not just cardio, but power load. The most accessible: squats, lunges with the dumbbells, climbing stairs. Write in the comments, should I record a separate video with a set of exercises for stimulate growth hormone? The second, we improve the lymph flow. When cellulite slows down the exchange of intercellular fluid, stagnation occurs. So what should I do? Right, massage and improve blood flow in these places. This can be achieved in many ways. Cupping massage, dry brush massage, wraps, intraded therapy. And the third, more complicated, it is necessary to stimulate the production of collagen. I will introduce you to another term, autophagy. In 2016, the Nobel Committee awarded the prize in physiology and medicine to Japanese scientist Yoshinori Asumi for the discovery of autophagy and differing its molecular mechanisms. Autophagy is the process of processing spent proteins such as collagen tissue, scar tissue, fibrous tissue. This process is important not only for the economical management of cellular farm, but also for the renewal of the cellular structure. We can say that the autophagy is the process of rejuvenation of cellular level. According to some data, the processes of autophagy increases starvation. No wonder this is a common practice for Tiberian monks. Hunger also stimulates the production of growth hormone, as well as sleep. It is important to fall asleep before midnight. This is exactly what is needed for the growth of muscle mass. See how everything is interconnected. Follow these recommendations and you will notice how the skin becomes firmer and cellulite goes away. Share this useful video with your loved ones and do not forget to subscribe to the channel so as not to miss new videos with secret methods of rejuvenation and healing of the body. So, Alex was with you. See you later. Bye-bye.